Hey everyone, it's Allison, the Holistic Homesteader. I am here with part 2 of my Family Dollar haul. So y'all saw in that last Family Dollar video all of my food items, and I talked about how I have a Christmas decor haul coming up, and that's what today is. You guys saw in some of my Dollar Tree videos that the Dollar Tree had this theme of like the red buffalo plaid, the white buffalo plaid. Is it called buffalo plaid when it's white? Someone will have to answer that for me in the comments. I'm not really sure. But they had the white plaid, the red plaid, they have the greenery with the pine cones and the berries, and yeah, that hemp cordage. They had all of that kind of like same theme interwoven. And so going into my Family Dollar is actually part Dollar Tree. And I explained that in the last video there, how they have these tags, and anytime you see a tag that has this circle and says $1.25, that is a Dollar Tree item. Or I guess anything that's circled, because Dollar Tree, I guess now, is from what my mom said over on Nani's life. She said that Dollar Trees sometimes have more expensive items, and what the guy at the Family Dollar explained to me was that any item that has that circle label, that is a Dollar Tree item. So even when it's a little bit more expensive like this, I guess that's a Dollar Tree item. But my Dollar Tree that is closest to me here, they don't really have the more expensive stuff yet. So I don't really see a reflection of that here where we live. But like in that last video I talked about with the food, we're kind of behind on the times. We're very limited when it comes to food, especially like organic, non-GMO options and stuff. So sometimes you just kind of have to do what you gotta do. But I'm excited to see when my local Dollar Trees start having the items that are maybe priced a little bit higher. I just like to see the variety. So let's get right to all of these Christmas items. I got a bunch of ornaments. You guys know from those last videos that I'm kind of going with this whole plaid theme. So I saw some of these decorations and I thought, let's just continue on with that. So here is the first. It is this snowflake. It is like 3-dimensional. It's really pretty. It's like a hard plastic. Has the pine cones, and it has white berries with that white plaid, some greenery. It's pretty good size too. $1.25 on that. I think all of these ornaments I'm going to show you are all $1.25. On that one Dollar Tree haul, there were the ornaments. There was a 2-pack of ornaments, and they had that deer theme. So just kind of continuing on with that. I do have another Dollar Tree haul coming up, and I buy even more Christmas decor. And inside of that haul, I add to this deer collection. So you'll have to stay tuned for that. I really am impressed with the quality of these decorations from the Dollar Tree. I think they're really cute. This is a type of metal, and it is double-sided. Has that cordage to hang just like the star. You can see they have the same type of greenery. They just go really well together. I really appreciate that about the Dollar Tree, that they take the time to make sure things look well together. I think that's important to have, even if you're on a budget or if you're going to decorate a tree with a certain amount of money. It's important, for me at least, for things to like look nice, and I appreciate that about the Dollar Tree. So we have this star. This greenery is a little bit funky. I hope when I take the tag off, that it settles down a little bit, but again, has that same greenery. Everything blends really beautifully. It's like a type of tin with an imprint on it. All right, we'll do this one next. Again, we have that same red buffalo plaid. This is like a hard plastic on the inside We have that natural hemp cordage, a little hemp bow at the top, pine cone with berries and greenery, again, like that other Dollar Tree haul I did. So I think this will go really well. It's a little tree, pine tree. There's a little bit of glue right there, but I can probably pop that off pretty easily. Always check both sides of your ornaments when you pick them out, people. Okay, so this little ornament, I thought it was funky. Has a little bell on it that goes back to, you know, the movie It's a Wonderful Life. Every time a bell rings, an angel gets its wings, right? So it's important at Christmas time for us to have some bells here and there. Jimmy Stewart was a local celebrity here, so although I can't really say I've ever fully watched It's a Wonderful Life, don't judge me. I have like movie ADHD and I barely sit through any movies ever. It's terrible. Anyway, that's beside the point. I thought this was cute though. It has that little metal star, has the red and white, again with the berries. Got the white berries. These kind of look like white berries. And then some of these items, like this one, have the red berries. So again, I think it's just great how it all blends together. I appreciate it. I'll show you this next, since I just held it up. Just a little funky, like pine tree, pine branch ball. I thought it was super unique. A little bit of glitter on it, but the glitter is not like falling off, getting a mess everywhere. It's pretty manageable. I mean, I am getting some glitter on my hand, but it's not crazy bad. You have that buffalo plaid ribbon, the pine, the greenery, the berry. Again, these are pretty good size for $1.25. I got it in red, and I also got it in the gold because I couldn't decide which I liked better. So same exact thing, the pine branch ball basically. I don't know when I'm gonna decorate my tree. I burnt myself out really bad with Christmas decorations like a long time ago. It's probably been like 8 years ago. I used to do photography all the time. When I was getting my master's degree, I actually did like a huge internship with a local photographer and I learned a ton about photography. So then after I graduated and I started having kids, then I decided to do photography myself. And I loved it, but again, where I live out in the middle of nowhere, it made it really hard for customers to want to come here to have photography done. And at the time, I didn't really have the space or the means to have like an actual studio set up. So it was just kind of a disaster. I still love taking pictures though. But I guess where I'm going with this is the one year we were going on a cruise, and I knew that as soon as we got back from the cruise, I would have to be doing the Christmas mini sessions. And I was doing them here in my dining room because I have beautiful natural light. And I set up this huge Christmas scene and I had 3 fully decorated trees. I decorated them on Halloween and they were there from Halloween the whole way through the new year. And that was a long 2 months. It really burned me out on Christmas decor. It made me really grumpy. So now I'm a little bit of a Scrooge about it. My kids, Brian, they don't really seem to mind. But I probably won't decorate until like mid-December. It's okay. Not everybody's the same. Some people don't like to decorate at all. Honestly, if it weren't for me and the kids here, Brian, he wouldn't have anything at all. When I first met him, all he had was like a Charlie Brown Christmas tree with 1 bulb on it. And that's what he'd probably still have if it weren't for the kids and I. But anyway, yeah, you'll have to stay tuned for what my tree looks like after I get it fully decorated. I think it'll be really nice. I'm going to try to use all of these items I bought from the Family Dollar and the Dollar Tree. All right, next up is this really cute little snowman. He says joy. Let me see if I can fix him. There we go. Joy. We have that the plaid, the red and the white. We have the hemp cordage, the hemp with a hemp hoop to hang it, $1.25. I think that's it for the actual ornaments. I picked up 2 of these bows because I like to have like a nice big statement on the tree randomly. And I thought that these bows would do a great job. I think they'll look really great with all of the other plaid items. You can see everything looks so cute together. So we got 2 of those bows. They were also $1.25, which I thought was great. They'd be great for on a present too. And then I just have a few more items. I got 3 spools of this buffalo plaid ribbon. It's 9 feet. I figured I would take it and do it vertically down the tree from the top to the bottom. And yeah, so I got 3 rolls of that. And then I also got this garland. I don't know if I'm going to use it on the tree or if I may decorate like above the sliding glass door in the dining room, but I'm going to use this beaded garland for sure. This was one of the more expensive items. It's $5. It is, does it tell me how long it is? No, it doesn't. I'm expecting this to probably be about, I don't know, I'm guessing probably 8 foot long. It has some of that natural cordage and the white plaid. All right, and then our last item, again, this was another one of those more expensive items, but this is a wreath hanger for $3. Has that metal star on it. I really don't have very many wreath hangers. On my front door, I like to do a wreath on the inside and the outside, so that'll work well. All right, everybody, I hope you have enjoyed this Family Dollar Christmas decor haul. You'll have to stay tuned for all those Dollar Tree hauls I have coming up. There are like probably 5 I have coming right down the pipeline, so stay tuned for those. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and we will see you later.